Hi everyone, today we are going to be playing Pictionary and I am joined by this random dude next to me.
You're either seeing it on both of our channels, mine or hers. So hopefully you, if you're new, you could subscribe to the channel. Now we tried recording this once. We had some technical difficulties. But let's get straight into this. So we're playing turn-based. Now let's do play now. So, with the categories, we got a few, but
Let's do animals.
already decided. We'll have the animal category.
I looked at it again. Okay, I'm going to look away.
I'm
going
going
down
here.
there so I can't look.
Okay. Bye. Oh, okay. So, let's see. I got it. This is the best day ever because I'm drawing this. You will have no idea what this is because I'm horrible at drawing. Now let's see. I think you might have a hard time guessing this. This is horrible.
That is
You don't want to look. Okay, guys. So this is really hard drawing, so you shouldn't judge. Now I would pass it to you, and let's see. Would you be able to guess?
Continue. What is this?
Guess.
It's some sort of animal. Oh, I know. That banana at the end saved you. Okay, so it seems we get to spin something.
Spin the magic wheel.
The magic wheel of epicness.
What is that?
Tool cards. Claim prize.
What are tool cards?
I don't
guess
know.
You go to your tools section.
You
Upgrade. What?
Oh, we could get a pencil, crayon, highlighter, brush. Zoom.
Unlock your zoom. Oh,
You can zoom in.
that doesn't seem that helpful, but get it anyway.
We have to get 10. I think. I don't know.
No, we got 1 out of 10.
Okay.
We could upgrade our thing.
Great.
Wow.
Correct. Oh, wow.
I don't know what that's about, but our tools look better.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's hop into another round.
Yep, and it's going to be my turn to draw, so you don't look.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Far away to the jungle.
Go away. Okay, so next, turn-based, yeah. By now, the category is still animals, like we decided. And I'm gonna pick again. Okay, this is easier, I guess. So, what? Oh, this is so hard. What colors is there? Okay, so I don't have any of these. But that's fine, I guess. This is so hard. Okay, I'm gonna pick black. And oh, I'm gonna undo that and I don't know if he's gonna get this. There's the body. And I don't know what it is it to him. There, that's better. And here's the wings. There. Okay. So now this and that. And I'm just gonna do this. Oh, I know what will make it better. A background. So this will give a bit of a hint. So just gonna scribble this in. It's so bad. Okay, and I'm gonna send it. Yes, I want to send the drawing. Okay, here you go. Try guessing what it is.
Okay. And then, so it's a now pass the device to your friend. So I'm your friend.
No.
Okay then. So
Try guessing what this monstrosity is.
this is some sort of bird, I could guess, since you were talking about wings.
Yeah.
It looks like an owl,
But no,
but
it's
What?
not.
Pigeon.
Nope.
What are they called? I really can't guess it. What is this?
If you need a hint, I'll tell you one.
Crow.
Crows are black.
I know. White
What? No.
owl.
Okay, so I will give you a hint.
What?
Look at the floor. What he's standing on.
It's the beach.
Yeah?
See, I don't know how to spell seagull.
You just need an A next to the E, so you got it already.
What?
Gull.
Gull. There?
Seagull.
Seagull.
Do it,
Seagull.
Try again. Let me try spelling it. I actually have no idea. Seagull. Wait. Oh, it just has two L's. Okay.
What? We got an iron chest. That was
Yay.
pretty hard because I don't know how to spell birds. Okay, so we get to spin the magic wheel again. What do you think we would win this time?
I have no idea.
At least this is free. We got 5 gems. I'm going to claim that prize. Now, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Wait, wake up? We're supposed to wake up our chests.
I don't know, but just hurry up and click play.
I'm going to open him now.
Oh, yeah.
Yay. We got a pencil thing. We got crayon. We got eraser. We got pen. We got highlighter.
Things.
Oh, we can unlock the pencil. Great. We need a pencil.
Woo.
Do we need a crayon? I think we do.
Yes.
We need everything pretty much. And the highlighter just cause. How about you?
Yes, we 100% need that.
No,
Oh, we
it's
don't have that.
100. Well, anyway,
It'll be so much easier with that.
we almost got all the tools. That's good. So let's play our third round.
Okay. And you go.
Turn base. I'm pretty sure it's going to be... Is it going to be animals again?
Yep.
Or could I choose a different one?
You can choose a different one.
Okay, so the category is going to be... Never mind, I'm just going to do animal. That's the easiest. Okay, pick again. Okay, good enough. I got it. Oh, wow. This looks way easier. But I don't got a marker. Okay, we got way more. Like, is this... What is this? Yes. So, let's see. So I'm going for a theme here, which I don't think she'll get. Maybe she'll get it. Maybe she isn't. It won't. Maybe. Who knows? Do you think she'll get this one? This one, I'm kind of giving it away. But, like, I don't know. This, I don't know what to feel about this, but this looks more like horror. Okay, then. Good enough. So, let's see. Send. Are you sure you want to send your drawing? Yes. Now, here you go.
Yay, I'm excited.
What could this
What?
be?
An angry bird.
You got the theme.
Is it literally just bird?
Yes.
It is.
It's just a bird. So, we get to spin the magic wheel one final and last time. Let's see what do we get? An egg.
We got more tools cards. Ooh, can we unlock
Let's see.
the final one?
No, not yet. But should we open our, wake these guys up?
Wake 'em.
Wake them up.
Wake
And we
'em.
get coins. We get the 3 of those. 4 crayons, 1 marker, 1 eraser. Should I open this one?
Sure.
Okay, we got crayon.
Eraser pen.
Okay, we got some stuff. We wake that guy up. Should I open this?
No.
He's too expensive.
Okay.
Now,
I want to start the round already.
So, we can't get the zoom, but that's okay. Let's just start the round. Now, turn base. Now, animals, you said?
Mhm.
Now, I didn't see it.
Ooh, this one's a great one. And are you sure you didn't see it?
No.
Okay, good. I love it. Ooh, so we have a highlighter, which, ooh, I like how it looks like. Undo, crayon, nice, pencil, super thin. I don't like that. I'm probably gonna use this. I love it. Or this. It's amazing. Anyways. I need like a different shade of blue. Or something. So there. Fine, I'll just use this. This one's pretty hard. Nah, that looks bad. That looks bad. No. I've actually always struggled at drawing this animal. Never really been able to draw it that well. This totally looks like it. Just saying. It looks fabulous. I don't think anyone's gonna get this. I don't know how to make it look better. I'm just gonna erase this part. And then, oh, this is so hard. Yes, I want to clear the canvas. There. This still looks like the most horrifying thing you will ever see. You know what? Doesn't have to be perfect. Wait, that's pencil. No. There. Oh, wow, no. Okay. This is looking interesting. Very interesting indeed. He's smiling at least. Oh, I know what I have to add to make it look better. There, I guess. I thought this was going to be easier than it is. But it's not. Wow. This is the worst drawing I've ever drawn. There, I'm gonna add a sun. 'Cause why not? And I'm gonna add a bit of things in the background. Birds flying. And send. Yes. Okay, come on over. You're probably, I don't know if you're gonna guess this. Let's see. What do you think?
I think it's a whale, but of course it's not.
No, definitely not a whale.
Dolphin.
Wow. You got
There.
it. You really
And we got
it.
another silver chest. Now, hopefully you enjoyed this video. That was our final round. Hopefully you enjoyed this time.
Make sure to like and subscribe to both of our channels.
Her channel in the description of my video.
And then his channel in the description of my video.
So, by the way, if we get 10 likes, so like in both of our videos combined, we might come back to this.
Pictionary.
So hopefully you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.